This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. We are living through a quiet erasure of ownership. From the movies we are bought to the AI models our governments try to gatekeep, the line between owning a tool and renting a service is disappearing. Think about the last time you clicked a buy button on a digital movie. You likely felt you owned that piece of art, but the reality is a revocable license. Disney has removed dozens of original titles to cut costs. Sony notified users in the United Kingdom that purchased content would simply vanish due to licensing. This is why we are seeing a resurgence in physical media. A 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray delivers up to 128 megabits per second. That is far superior to a compressed Netflix stream. More importantly, a disc cannot be remotely deleted by a corporate headquarters in California. It is the only way to ensure the version of a film you love stays exactly as it was released. When we move from losing movies to handling money or untrusted code, the stakes shift from cultural loss to systemic risk. This is why AWS just launched Lambda Micro VMs. It uses firecracker technology to give every single user their own isolated virtual. No shared kernels, no shared resources. It is designed specifically for those of us running AI-generated code that we do not fully trust. In that word, the golden rule is no invented data. You never just update a balance. You use double-entry bookkeeping to ensure every cent is tracked from source to destination. Trust is not assumed. Technical isolation is now being used as a tool of national security. The Trump administration recently played a high-stakes game of cat and mouse with Anthropic. Then they partially lifted the ban for a few trusted partners. This creates a strange vacuum. In China, a thriving black market has emerged. Developers are using VPNs and transfer stations to buy tokens. It is a stark reminder that no matter how strict the export controls are, the demand for frontier intelligence will always find a workaround. But the real danger is not who has access to the model. It is what the model can do once it is local. Researchers at the University of Toronto recently demonstrated an adaptive computer worm. Unlike traditional malware, this AI agent does not rely on a single vulnerability. It uses a reasoning loop to identify a target's unique weak points and exploit them in real time. It is a qualitative shift in cyber warfare, yet there is a poetic contrast happening at the other end of the spectrum. A project called GPT-2 Basic has managed to run a transformer model on an old 486DX2 computer. It is slow, generating about 2.46 tokens per second, but it proves that intelligence can be stripped of the cloud and the GPU. It can be made small, explicit, and truly local. Today, we have seen a recurring theme of control versus autonomy. Whether it is the loss of digital movies or the government restricting AI models, the trend is toward a rental economy of intelligence and art. From physical disks to AI running on 40-year-old hardware, the future of professional autonomy depends on owning the stack, not just having a login. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.